Heartbreak doesn't always arrive loudly. Sometimes it comes quietly, settling in the chest, lingering in the breath, showing up in the spaces where joy once felt easy. Time keeps moving forward, yet the heart may still feel paused, tender, unsure how to begin again. If you are carrying that weight today, let it be a gentle place to land. This practice isn't about fixing what hurts or forcing yourself to feel better. It's an invitation to soften, to breathe, and to allow the body to release what the heart has been holding. There's nothing you need to prove here, nothing you need to rush, just a quiet moment to reconnect with yourself. Slowly make your way into your mat and come into child's pose. Knees wide or together, forehead resting, arms soft. Let the weight of your body sink into the head. Feel the rise of your back as you inhale, the gentle release as you exhale. With every breath, allow yourself to arrive a little more fully. Let your breath guide the movement, allowing emotion to move through the body like a slow wave. If tears come, let them. Tuck your toes and slowly lift into downward facing dog. Press the mat away. Bend your knees if you need, and feel the quiet strength still living within you. Even after the breaking, you are still supported. Step your right foot forward into a gentle low lunge. Let your hips soften. Lift your chest just enough to feel space again. Breathe into that openness, forgiving, patient, kind. Then gently switch sides, moving slowly, honoring both endings and new beginnings. Come upright onto your knees and move into Camel pose. Lift your chest and let the heart open gently. If this feels like too much today, stay upright and breathe, listening to your body, honoring your limits. Stay for a few slow breaths. Inhale strength. Exhale release. Slowly come down into a seated position. And wrap your arms around yourself. Hold your shoulders. Feel the warmth of your own presence. This is love, returning home to you. then allow yourself to melt into Savasana. This is where you rest. This is where the heart begins to breathe again. You are not broken. You are becoming, and even if love has left, you are still love itself. If this practice supported you, if it touched you in any kind of way, if it suits your heart, give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, have a beautiful day.